Yo, what's up, fellas? We're back. Brezicky Brothers Garage in 412, Pittsburgh, PA. Show you what I've been up to, what I've been doing on the coyote swap. Got the MAFracing rear bumper support, great quality, looking good. Move along to the front. Also got their front bumper support and tubular lower rad going together great. That can't wait till it gets painted. The support bracket welded in. Got the plates cut, welded in. Everything's welded in. Welding the holes, all the holes that I wanted welded. The Maxim Motorsports support bracket for the sway bars. And goes the Scott rod panels, welded in. Gonna smooth it all out, start grinding here. A little bit, grinding and sanding. Grinding and sanding. All the holes welded in. Support bracket over there. Filled in all the holes. Been using the MiG 140 from Harbor Freight. That thing is pretty good for what I do. Getting better day by day. Great welder, I like it. And so there you have it. That's what I've been doing. Shave bay, tubular supports, getting ready for the coyote swap. Next episode.